أنجل كان وعوية نفسي يلا مرك كان وعوية جالسين أباهم جعلنا أختي كان وعوية ومنه
I don't think he was socialist. Some of the prerequisites of being communist or socialist is the ability to read Hegel and Kant. And if you can't read either of them, you know, how much of a communist are you? You know, Marxism, communism, all these isms require a learning, a higher learning than the one that Siad Barre had. He had certain precepts in his head, and his intention was to take Somalia from, in inverted commas, what he saw as barbarism, and provide in Somalia with a state structure that functioned very, very well.